Hello, welcome back. Hope you're all well. We've come up to the caravan to do a job on the caravan now. Angela came up last week to do a few jobs, and it went a bit wrong because... What have you done? I'll show you. Oh, the barrel has come out. So yes, the barrel come out, and what we did is we contacted the dealer, and they said that we could take the caravan in on a Saturday, and that's actually the week before we were going on holiday, and then pick it up later on in the week. But unfortunately I couldn't pick it up because of work. So I said, could you not get me a barrel? And they said, well, we'll have to look at it first. But it only needs a new barrel. What's happened is, where's the old barrel? Apparently it's a common fault this with these Swift caravans is, I know you can see that but the tines at the top there, or the bits at the top, have snapped off. So two of them on the top. So what we've done is, rather than mess about taking the caravan back into Stuart Longton's, we've just ordered a new barrel, and that's it. That's the new barrel. So we're going to put that in today, but I'm not going to do it because when we phoned up Stuart Longton's, Angela had already watched a video on how to do it, and she thought that they were quite patronising at Stuart Longton's, saying, oh no, you can't do that, it's a tough job. So I'm not going to do it, Angela's going to do it. So I'm going to leave her to it and put the new barrel in, and I'll just film. Right, let's get going. Oh, what I've bought as well is I needed some trim tools, so I bought this kit here off my good friend Mr. Amazon. It's got ties in there, I don't know what they're for yet, bits of sticky stuff, them clips, obviously loads of them, and loads of tools in there and bits and bobs, and it's quite good actually. It's only 26 quid. I'll put a link in the description if anybody wants to buy one, but yeah, it's got all sorts in there. It's pretty good. Right, let's get going.
Right, so first job I need to do is get this cover off, and then I'm going to come to the cover underneath it, because I need to be able to get to the screws that are under here. There we go, it's coming. But I'm trying to do this without damaging the plastic or the metal, which is quite difficult. There we go. Right. So now there are 3 screws, so I need to undo each of those in order to get this off and be able to get to the handle underneath. So I'm going to take the cover off this bit as well. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's not broken. This also has got 2 screws, and they need to come out as well in order to take this lot off. Just put that on. And 3. Right, so that's out. That bit goes to the right, so this matches up.
I'll move that out of the way for you.
Yeah.
What are they securing?
They're fixing this bit down here.
Well, is it got the handle on the side?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, the handle on the other side. Oh, they're quite long. There we go. Put them inside them, and then I know which ones fit.
Okay.
So that's dirty, that will need to clean. Okay, so now I need to take this bit off the door there, and then you can see the mechanism inside, and I also get that inside there to be able to lift that gently. That doesn't feel like that's giving up there. got that off. What have I got now? I've got four screws on the outside and one
Leave that on.
odd looking thing on the inside. Oh, they're longer. Don't get them mixed with the ones. Oh,
Just be careful that the handle doesn't fall off.
yeah.
On the other side.
You got that? You need no hand, don't you? There we go.
Right, we don't need this, do we?
No, because this is the mechanism that we're interested in, this bit here.
So that should come off the door now. You push it.
This is the bit we're interested in.
Right, so we'll take that inside, shall we?
Yeah, take this inside. Okay, so I've taken this bit off so that I can make sure that this mechanism is working properly here and it's not damaged that. In order to put this new barrel in the front, you sometimes have to tweak about with the back to get it to fit in properly. So I need to line up these two with the slot inside there.
Right.
So I put this, the new lock, the key in the new lock, in the new barrel, and then try and line that up in there. There's little grooves in it, so you just need to make sure that you are in those, round those, in order to get it to line up. There we go. It's in. It's locked in position.
Right, so what do you do now? So you've taken that out because you needed to hold the back?
Yeah, and because you need to make sure that, I wanted to make sure that this bit wasn't damaged, that the circlip hadn't come out, or anything else had happened to this bit behind when the tangs on the barrel broke. Because one of the pieces on the barrel that slots into the hole had been sat in there for some time because it was almost like slightly rusted and dulled. So if this was damaged, or if this wasn't moving freely, we wouldn't know that for certain unless you took it off and made sure that it moves properly now when you move the key, which it moves quite freely, that doesn't it? And that barrel is now locked in place because it's now flush with the front.
Right, so what, you're going to put it back together now?
So yeah, going to do everything now but in reverse.
Right, that's what you're doing now.
I'm going to put this back in position. And there's two holes, the two holes in the bottom. Let's pull the door out a bit. That's it. Because there's two holes in the bottom and two holes in the middle. It needs to sit. These are coming through. Is that the other way?
Yeah.
Just checking that feels secure on the other side. Let's try it here. And so obviously that's locking, unlocking, locking, unlocking, which is what I needed to do. And then I should be able to put this back on now. So same steps as before, but backwards. Yeah, that's gripping now because you can feel it pull the door in, the handle in. Yeah? Is that okay?
I don't know, you're doing it, Joe.
Yeah, I know. Right, I'm going to put that back on. It's got two little clips there, so I need them to go in. Let's see if I can get that in. There we go. Pushes back on. So that's back on. And then I need the handle for the cover for this. So this fits. I'll just do it backwards from where I did it before, which is just fitting this back in those holes. That's all clipped back into place, and this has come. These have come through there, which is what. And then this sits back on there as the handle. So it's locked into place, so that pushes up and down, which is what I want it to do. That one goes that way, back over the top there, and then let's get these back in. And then put this back over the top, and that'll push in and secure in, and that's over the top, and then that goes down, that's it locked and open.
Right. Check it now.
Yeah, I'm going to check it.
Right, so that's the barrel replaced by Angela. What have you got to say to the man at Longtons?
It's not that difficult if you just do it step by step.
There you go, it's not that difficult if you just do it step by step. Top job done. Yeah, I believe it is a fault with the locks, but quite easy to replace, as you saw Angela doing.
And I don't need a man at Longtons when I've got a Caravan Nut.
Alright, okay. You're Mrs. Nut, and so you've just done that. Right, just hopefully a quick video. If you come across that problem, it's quite easy to do.
Thank you to the people at A&L Leisure who sent the lock to us really promptly. I paid extra for it to come a little bit quicker, but it was here within 2 days.
All
and
right.
I ordered it very late, so yeah.
A&L Leisure. I'll put a link in the description below. Right, thank you very much for watching. You saying bye?
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
See you soon. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.